Backsy.ai just dropped, and here are 7 crucial things you need to know before trying it. If you're even thinking about using AI to recover lost content or track changes across your digital work, watch this till the end, because Backsy.ai might be the tool you didn't know you needed. You can try Backsy.ai completely free from the first link in the description. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because I'll explain the one feature that makes it a must-have for digital marketers, creators, and teams. Plus, I'll tell you how this stacks up after testing thousands of AI tools. So, what is Backsy.ai? In plain terms, it's an AI-powered backup and content recovery system. But unlike traditional backups, this is tailored for today's fast-moving online workflows: Google Docs, Notion, Canva, Figma, and even ChatGPT. If you've ever accidentally overwritten or lost hours of work inside those apps, Backsy.ai gives you instant rollback access, like a version control system, but with an AI brain behind it. Setup is quick. Just connect your platforms, and Backsy starts recording snapshots as you work. No manual saving, no complex configuration. It's one of the few tools that doesn't get in your way, which is exactly what good software should do. Now, here's where it gets clever. Backsy.ai uses AI to detect important changes. So instead of showing you every single keystroke, it highlights significant edits. That's gold for teams or solo creators who want clean version histories without noise. If you're editing client-facing content or revising a campaign draft, this is a time saver. Another killer use case: ChatGPT sessions. If you've ever lost a long conversation with GPT, you know how annoying it is. Backsy saves your sessions automatically, so you can go back, extract outputs, or reuse past prompts. Privacy-wise, they're solid. Everything is end-to-end encrypted, and you can manually delete any snapshot. It doesn't feel invasive, and that's key for anyone dealing with sensitive content. The UI is clean, intuitive, and works on both desktop and mobile. Navigating through older versions is smooth, almost like flipping through a timeline of your work. That's one of the reasons I'd recommend it over most clunky backup tools. Right now, it's free to try. And while it's just been released, the roadmap looks impressive. They're working on integrations with more apps and smarter AI insights, so if you're into automation or productivity stacking, you'll want to keep an eye on updates. Here's the deal. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or just someone tired of losing work, Backsy.ai is easily one of the best just released AI softwares this year. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and very few offer this kind of set it and forget it utility with real-world value. If you're curious about what other AI tools I recommend, I've listed my top picks in the description, each one free to try. But start with Backsy.ai from the first link and see why this might become your new AI safety net.